Hello friends, I am Colonel Bhupinder Singh Rehal, and on behalf of Unacademy, I extend our heartiest wishes on the Army Day to all of you. You have seen what the Army Day is about, why it is celebrated. Now let's see what makes this army. It is a person who believes that the safety, honor, and welfare of his country comes first, always and every time. The honor, welfare, and comfort of the men he commands comes next. His own ease, comfort, and safety comes last, always and every time. He is a person who, despite the omnipresent danger, hardships, and privations of life on the nation's troubled frontiers, he stands tall and firm. Be it the Himalayas, the highest reaches of Himalayas, Siachen Glacier, Galwan, you have just heard. Whosoever is the enemy is capable of handling them effectively and has been doing it. Stoic and resolute in the face of adversity, his courage never wavers, his spirit never flags. Be it the hottest borders of Thar Desert, the hot and sultry rainy weather of Northeast, he stands tall and firm. Now, whether it is external aggression or internal disorders, his role in war and in peace continues 24 by 7. National disasters, which almost every year something or the other happens. As a last resort, army is called. And there they prove their mettle in helping the nation to rebuild it, to save the people. Just have a look. Beyond our borders, he's part of the UN peacekeeping forces, where he keeps our flag flying high, setting such standards which others find difficult to follow. He is the secular flag bearer everywhere and represents all religions. He is secular, where he follows the concept of Sarv Dharm Sthal. All religious places are same for him. He does Shastra Puja regardless of his religion. He represents the country. He is the flag bearer of the country in many remote corners of the country. Whenever he goes on leave to his village and when he finally retires. Even in his retirement as a veteran, he still represents the army and the government. He is the person for our tomorrow. He willingly, selflessly, unpretentiously gives his today. That's what the army is about. कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, सदियों रहा है दुश्मन, दौर जमा हमारा. So come what may, Indian Army always at the best, always in the front. And I'm very sure that shortly you all will be part of the same army. If not army, the Air Force, the Navy, Jai Hind, and let's crack it. Thank you.